So today we're going to check out some hot long to short hair transformations. I know how much you guys love these, so if this is your jam, definitely give this video a like and of course hit that subscribe button. So the first one features this stylist. I'm not even going to try to pronounce his name because I don't want to, mispronounce it, but he starts off with this gorgeous pixie haircut transformation. This is absolutely stunning. The overall shape of this is just gorgeous. And she started off with really long hair. And she now has a very trendy pixie cut. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. Love the final results of this one. So heading into the next transformation, she also starts off with very long hair. And it looks like she might be getting an undercut. So the stylist does cut the hair into a gorgeous bob. This is more of a classic angled bob that comes to about neck length. Very pretty, very modern, yet classic. So getting into our next transformation, looks like she's also going to be getting a bob haircut as well. So there we have it. I would actually classify this as a pixie and in between a pixie and bob haircut because it is very short. And it's pretty much the best of both worlds, longer in the front, shorter in the back. But you can also just call this a very mini bob if you wanted to as well. It just depends on how you look at it. Very chic hairstyle. Love the final results with that one as well. And then transformation number 4. So it looks like she's going to be getting more of an undercut pixie with this one. Absolutely gorgeous. The blonde highlights look so stunning. And then going into transformation number 5, this one actually features curly hair, which honestly we don't get to see enough of. So it looks like she's going to be doing a curly bob with this one. He does add some curls from the curling iron. And this just creates another textured. Love this curly bob. Very cute. And then with the next transformation, number 6, she has gorgeous red colored hair. Oh wow, this is a very stunning bob. Love this copper tone that she has, her makeup. Absolutely gorgeous. This is probably my favorite transformation so far. I just love this copper tone that she has. It just looks so beautiful. So for the next few transformations, we're going to switch over to a different stylist, and he does specialize in more curly hair. So I'm going to start doing a little bit more curly haired videos because I just feel like there's not enough curly hairstyle ideas out there. So with this one, it looks like he's cutting a bit of a bob. Oh wow, she actually went with a curly pixie cut. This is beautiful. Love the end result, so pretty. And it really just makes her cheekbones pop as well. So next up, another curly transformation. So she ends up getting kind of like this cute curly shag. She does have bangs in the front. Love her texture. Very cute. And then the last transformation of today. So it looks like she might be getting a pixie cut with this one as well. Gorgeous. Love the curly pixie. So beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hair transformations with me. If you did, be sure